1. Socotra, Yemen. Socotra is often described as an alien-like landscape due to its otherworldly flora and fauna, including the iconic dragon's blood tree. This isolated island in the Arabian Sea offers pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and untouched wilderness, a true paradise for nature lovers and adventurers. Highlights: Dragon's Blood Tree's white sand, beaches like Calansia Dixon Plateau, and limestone caves. 2. Palawan, Philippines. Regularly voted one of the best islands in the world, Palawan is a tropical paradise with dramatic limestone cliffs, hidden lagoons and turquoise waters. Perfect for island hopping, snorkeling, and soaking in the beauty of nature. Highlights: underground river in Puerto Princesa, El Nido's limestone casts and lagoons, Coron's shipwreck diving spots. 3. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. The Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat, stretching over 10,000 square kilometers. The flats create a surreal mirror effect when covered with a thin layer of water, making the sky seem like it extends forever. It's a photographer's dream destination. Highlights: the mirror effect during the rainy season, Isla in Kawazi, Cactus Island train graveyard near Uyuni. 4. Aurora Borealis in Tromsø, Norway. Tromsø is one of the best places to view the northern lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. Nestled above the Arctic Circle, this Norwegian town offers a magical winter experience with midnight sun in summer and polar nights in winter. Highlights: Northern Lights, best viewed between September and April, Arctic Cathedral, and the Fjellheisen cable car, reindeer sledding and dog sledding. 5. Amalfi Coast, Italy. The Amalfi Coast is a stunning stretch of coastline in southern Italy, famous for its dramatic cliffs, colorful villages, and Mediterranean charm. From the terraced vineyards of Ravello to the picturesque town of Positano, this coastal gem is a romantic and luxurious escape. Highlights: exploring Positano's pastel-colored houses, visiting the historic town of Amalfi, the path of the gods hiking trail. 6. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Known for its crystal-clear lagoons, Bora Bora is one of the most famous and luxurious island destinations in the world. With overwater bungalows, coral gardens, and a dramatic volcanic mountain at the center, it's a true tropical paradise. Highlights: snorkeling in the coral gardens, staying in luxurious overwater bungalows, Mount Otmanu hiking, and lagoon tours. 7. Machu Picchu, Peru. Perched high in the Andes Mountains, Machu Picchu is an ancient Incan citadel that has captivated explorers and travelers for centuries. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and valleys, and hiking the Inca Trail is an unforgettable journey. Highlights: the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, 4-day trek exploring the sacred valley nearby, visiting the Sun Gate and Huayna Picchu Peak. 8. Santorini, Greece. Famous for its whitewashed buildings with blue domed roofs, Santorini is an iconic destination in the Aegean Sea. The island's caldera cliffs, volcanic beaches, and breathtaking sunsets make it one of the most romantic places in the world. Highlights: watching the sunset in Ia, wine tasting at local vineyards, exploring the ancient ruins of Akrotiri. 9. Namib Desert, Namibia. The Namib Desert is home to the world's tallest sand dunes, some of which rise over 300 meters. It's a land of stark beauty, with red dunes, vast plains, and unique wildlife that has adapted to the harsh desert environment. Sossusvlei and Diabvlei are two of the most iconic spots. Highlights: climbing Dune 45 or Big Daddy, the surreal landscapes of Diabvlei, wildlife spotting in the desert, oryx, desert elephants. 10. Faroe Islands, Denmark. The Faroe Islands are a group of rugged, green islands in the North Atlantic Ocean. Known for their dramatic cliffs, waterfalls, and fjords, They're a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and photographers alike. Despite their remote location, the islands offer a rich cultural history and welcoming locals. Highlights: hiking to the Mulefossa waterfall, visiting the charming village of Joyf, exploring the capital Torshavn.